Alright, this rock is doused with gas, which is going to fall into that bucket of blue gas, which is going to explode that, which has an iPod inside of it. So here we go. Oh, oh my god. I was waiting for an explosion. That really wasn't what I expected. I got a feeling the explosion's coming.
Wait. Let me find another rock.
Why?
Throw it at it.
Just throw it. Dude, I got a bad feeling he's just gonna explode.
Big rock.
Oh shit.
Got the rock.
Joe?
I'm good aim.
Oh my god. Dude, that again.
Holy crap.
Joe. Oh my god.
That was bigger than I expected.
Your iPod.
My iPod's destroyed right there.
Your iPod. Oh, his iPod was inside. His iPod was inside of that, which is now burned almost all of his grass.
Damn it. That scared me.
My god, I got a feeling it still has more gas in it, dude.
My dad's gonna come home and wonder what the hell happened here.
Dude, you might want to. Oh my god, the tree's on fire.
It'll go up.
Here, you might want to throw another rock at it.
Alright.
Here, throw another rock at it, Joe.
There's still a lot of gasoline in it.
Oh
You
god.
see it foaming out. Oh my god.
Oh, dude, this is so bad. Fucking get a giant rock. Throw that thing, man. Here we go. Oh, you missed. Go get it quick. Actually, get that rock that you threw before. Say cheese. Oh, go for it, man. Oh, your iPod is.
Doesn't burn the tree.
Your iPod's destroyed.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh man.
Bug just went on me.
Yeah, same here. All right.
Really, Joe?
Joe's turn to throw a rock.
Okay, let me. Right here.
It's still recording.
Okay. Do it, Joe.
A rock. Wow. Re-throwing a rock.
You're worse aim than I am. You're like really close to that one, like a foot away. Do it. Wow. Okay, Joe.
Ready?
Do it now. Oh my god. Gonna go get it again.
We get it right in there and the that's what we want.
Oh shit.
Oh man. Dude.
Holy crap.
Yeah, it's all.
I'm pretty sure that's the rest of it.
That's the rest.
God damn it.
Where's your iPod even, dude?
I don't know. Find it after it's done burning.
Here, let's put this. Why isn't it going out? Oh my god. That was pretty sick. Well, this iPod is in there somewhere. Alright.
I'm gonna go get a bucket of water.
You're gonna get a bucket of water?
Man, I'm fucking sick.
Sounds like a really good idea to go get a bucket of water. Yeah, we'll just dump it on there. Holy gasoline. Dude, I love gas. Okay, that's the end of this video.